Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the headlines. Zuze and Neelkant Halankar resign as ministers. Resignation sent to Sharad Pawar. Pawar to take the next call. Babush Montserrat reclaims CCP, wins wafer-thin majority. BJP panel wins 12. Furtado couple victorious again. Babush assures an ideal cooperation. Babush on Chalo Panji mission. Babush all set to contest assembly polls. BJP accepts the challenge, says won't allow Babush's victory. Babush wins Panji Corporation election with 16 wards. 12 BJP, Panji cards elect 19 new faces. 16 women councillor out of 30. Goa Sports Academy and Dempo Cricket Club score comfortable victories in the Goa Professional League. Harshad Gadekar bags a fiver for Dempo. And Swapnil Asnodkar proves full recovery from injury with double century and deal with Rajasthan Royals. Goan batting star all set for IPL 4. And now the news in detail. Revenue Minister Jose Philip D'Souza and Tourism Minister Neelkant Halankar has resigned as ministers on Monday. Resignations are already faxed to NCP High Command Sharad Pawar. Pawar will take next call on this issue.
Along with Jose Philip D'Souza and Shri Neelkant Halankar, the ministers of Goa, called upon the Honorable National President of our party, Shri Sharad Pawar ji, and Shri Prafull Patel ji, National General Secretary and in charge of Goa Desk. Both the ministers, Shri Juje and Neelkant, expressed regret over development in Goa over the last few months and tendered their resignation from Council of Ministers to the party president. The party president, Sharad Pawar, heard their views very patiently and was pleased to hear the positive approach of Shri Juje and Neelkant for the party's future prospect in Goa and their unstinted loyalty toward the party. Shri Pawar informed them that he will discuss the issue with Shri Prafull Patel in detail and other senior police and then inform them about the party decision and the future course of action.
Our principal correspondent Murari Chetye.
Babush Montserrat's panel won the CCP election by a simple majority. Babush has assured a corruption-free, efficient and a clean corporation to the Panjikars. Babush has won 16 wards out of 30. Panji first panel has won 12 wards and majority of the winning candidates are women. Yatin Parekh has defeated Ashok Naik. Surinder Furtado has become the councillor for the 5th time.
Babush Montserrat's panel has won 16 wards and have claimed the Panji municipality again. Panji first has given a tough fight with 12 seats. Surendra and Ruth Futad are the only independent winning candidates. Surendra Futad has created history by becoming councillor for the consecutive 5th time. Carolina Poe, Tony Rodrigues, Yatin Parekh, Rudresh Sodankar have retained their seats. Most amazing fact of the result is out of 30, 15 women candidates have won, out of which 9 are from Panji first and 7 are from Babush's panel. Voters have majorly given verdict in the favor of women. Former Mayor Carolina Poe of Babush panel defeated Tukaram Dongrikar of Panji first.
हे पाटी जी स्कॅम जाली तेंका आमी दोळ्यांक भायर काडलेले आसा आनी जेन्ना हांव बसलेले तेन्ना तो एकूय स्कॅम जावंक ना. आय डीड इट व्हेरी क्लियरली एंड गिवन अ चान्स अहेड ऑल्सो आय विल डू व्हेरी क्लियरली आनी आमी हे पाटी आमचो पॅनल जो निवडून येयल्लो आसा ते आमी सगळे बरे भाशेन सगळे विदाउट एनी स्कॅम्स अ क्लियर गव्हर्नन्स आमी दितेले.
Tony Rodrigues won by huge margin in ward number 8. Yatin Parekh defeated Panji first mayor candidate Ashok Naik.
I believe that work ultimately proves. Work proves, talk doesn't prove. This is a message I want to give to the people of Panjim.
आता तू मेयराच्या पोस्टाक बीन क्लेम करतलो कित्याक तू
I am not claiming anything. I am leaving it to our leader Babush, under which panel we are in, and let us Babush decide on this.
Strong card of Babush. Mangaldas Naik lost to Shekhar Digwekar of Panji first.
फर्स्ट थिंग डिफीट म्हणजे फर्स्ट थिंग म्हाजो वॉर्ड न्ही तो हांव ज्या वॉर्डान आयल्लो त्या वॉर्डान भरपूर कामां केल्लीं तो वॉर्ड म्हाजो ओबीसी लेडीज जालो आनी सेकंड थिंग ज्या वॉर्डान हांव उबो रावलो तो ऑलरेडी BJPचोच वॉर्ड आशिल्लो आनी BJP जी कॅन्डिडेट थंय आसा म्हणटकूच त्या वॉर्डान हांव फायट दिवंक गेल्लो त्या खातीर एखादो ताणें कितें काम केलें आसूं येता म्हूण ते सायडीच्यान तांकां वोट मेळ्ळें आसूं येता.
Montserrat former staunch supporter Uday Madkekar lost to Prajot Waingankar in ward number 17.
ना हें आतां पॉलिटिक्स ह्याच्या फुडें फुडें सगळें पयशाचें जाल्लें आसा. बाबुशान म्हाज्या वार्डान भरपूर पयशे मोडले. तेणें आपली जितक्यो ट्रिकी यूज करपाच्यो आसल्यो तितक्यो ट्रिकी तेणें यूज केल्यो म्हाका उडोवपा खातीर कित्याक ताका तें म्हाजें सीट तेणें एक प्रेस्टिजियस कशें आपल्या खातीर एक प्रेस्टिजचो इशू असो धरून तेणें काम केल्लें आनी मोस्ट ऑफ टायम तो म्हाज्या वार्डानूच भोंवतालो लोकांक खूब तरेच्यो मिशा दाखोवन खूब तरेन तांकां लोकांक धमकावन जावं पयशे दिवन तेणें ही विक्ट्री तेणें आपल्या खातीर घेतली.
ह्या कॉर्पोरेशन इलेक्शनाक आमी हारले अशें म्हणूंक शकना. आमी 8 आसलेले 12 जाले आनी तेजे 20 आसलेले 16 जाले. हितून आमची हार ना आनी वयल्यान ताळगांव मतदारसंघासून आमी तेजे 2 खेचून हाडल्या. आमचे तशेंच उरल्या ताळगांवचे 2 हाडल्या आनी आमचे पणजेर वाडल्या आनी हेका रिजन आसा म्हाजी डिफिटीक रिजन आसा मनी पावर सगळ्याक पयशांचो धुमाकूळ जालो.
In spite of all the negative campaigning leashed upon us, though I think no one could take away our victory. That is very important. See, I think we will sit down today evening and we'll discuss who the mayor is going to be. But I assure you, this council is going to get a clean and efficient administration. I promise you that.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Babush says now he is on the mission Chalo Panji. The MLA from Talegaon is all set to enter the capital city. BJP has accepted the challenge. They are firm that the party will not allow Babush's victory in the capital city.
After victory in Panji Corporation poll, Babush Montserrat is all set to contest the assembly polls. Soon after the Panji Corporation result, the Talegaon MLA announced that he will contest the upcoming assembly polls for Panji.
See, I am a person who always like to face challenges. I still stand that now my only one mantra will be Chalo Panji.
So you are firm that you will be contesting from Panjim.
Yes, I am firm.
However, Chief of Panji First Ashok Naik has accepted the challenge. He says BJP will never allow Babush to win in Panji.
मनोहर पर्रीकर फुडले इलेक्शन पणजेच्यान
हय मनोहर पर्रीकर डेफिनेटली पणजेन आनी जो मनीस पणजेन रावता म्हणटा न्हू ताका आमी आमंत्रण दिता ताणें रावनूच दाखोवचें पणजेन हिम्मत आसा जाल्यार.
पूण बाबुशाचे फूल फ्लॅज प्लॅन आसा तो येवंकूच सोदता पणजेन.
आमी म्हणटा ताका हेच म्हणटा आमी तयार आसा.
However, we could not contact opposition leader and Panji MLA Manohar Parrikar. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Finally, Panji Corporation results are out. 16 Babush, 12 BJP and 2 independents. Panjikars have elected 19 new faces. 16 women have made it to the CCP. Here are the winners.
Ward number 1, Ana Rosa D'Souza Elobo. 2, Nazareth Cabral. 3, Margarita Fernandez. 4, Carolina Poe. 5, Sheetal Naik. 6, Bento Lorena Sylvester. 7, Shweta Lotlikar. 8, Tony Rodriguez. 9, Surin Furtado. 10, Ruth Furtado. 11, Kabir Makhija Philip Pinto. 12, Vaidehi Naik. 13, Bharti Hebre. 14, Yatin Parekh. 15, Shekhar Digwekar. 16, Pascual Amascarenas. 17, Prajot Waingankar. 18, Ratnakar Fatarpekar. 19, Maria Rita Fernandez. 20, Krishna Shirodkar. 21, Gangaram Kale. 22, Maya Talkar. 23, Rudresh Sodankar. 24, Diksha Mayankar. 25, Shubhada Dhon. 26, Edward George Dennis. 27, Shubham Sodankar. Ward number 28, Nivedita Choprekar. 29, Pratima Hobre. 30, Vivina Nasnodkar. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.